Have you ever dreamed of success, imagined a better life, and promised yourself, "I'll start tomorrow"? Amir did. A young man in a small village, 25 years old, full of hope and big dreams. He wanted wealth, respect, and a life that stood out. Every day, he told the villagers, "One day, my fields will shine with golden crops. People will come to learn from me. I'll be successful." The villagers enjoyed his stories. His dreams were inspiring, but there was a problem. Amir was lazy. While other farmers worked in the sun, watering and preparing their land, Amir stayed in bed or sat under a tree, imagining success. "I'll do it tomorrow," he said whenever asked to help. Dreaming was easy. Working for it? Not so much. One evening, Amir's uncle, a wise, experienced farmer, visited. He walked Amir's empty fields and shook his head. "Amir, why is your land bare? You talk about golden crops, but there's nothing here." "I'll start tomorrow," Amir replied confidently. The uncle had heard "tomorrow" too many times, so he gave Amir 2 small bags of seeds. "These are special," he said. "The first is the ambition seed. Plant it, care for it daily, and it will grow into a strong, fruitful tree. The second is the laziness seed. It spreads fast, choking everything in its path." He looked Amir in the eyes. "Your life depends on which seed you choose to nurture." Amir wanted success, so he planned to plant the ambition seed. Tomorrow. But when morning came, he stayed in bed again. Days passed. Eventually, out of boredom, he planted both seeds and did nothing. No water, no care, no attention. Weeks later, Amir returned to his field. The laziness seed had taken over, growing wild and choking the soil. The ambition seed was tiny, weak, barely surviving. His uncle said softly, "Do you see now? Ambition needs effort to grow. Laziness grows on its own, destroying everything you hope for." Amir finally understood. Dreaming was easy, but achieving required discipline and action. That night, he thought about all the tomorrows he had wasted. He vowed to change. The next morning, before sunrise, Amir went to work. He pulled weeds, watered the ambition seed, and cared for it as if his life depended on it, because it did. His back ached, his hands hurt, the sun burned his skin. But he didn't stop. Months passed, years passed. Slowly, the ambition seed grew into a strong, fruitful tree, bringing shade, comfort, and prosperity. Amir had changed too, from a lazy dreamer into a disciplined, respected man. The lesson is clear. Inside you are 2 seeds: ambition, laziness. Ambition needs effort. Laziness grows automatically. If you wait for tomorrow, you'll lose today. Start now. Nurture your ambition. Remove the weeds. Your future depends on the seed you choose to grow. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories like this.